Hey friends, Sarah here from sarahsbites.com. I am so excited to show you guys today how to make homemade ice cream. It is so easy, I promise, and it tastes so good. It's just 4 ingredients, and this one is a Nutella chocolate ice cream. So let's get started with the recipe. First up, grab a large bowl, the largest one that you have, and put that in your freezer for about 3 to 5 minutes so it can get a little bit cold. And then we're gonna grab 2.5 cups of heavy whipping cream straight out of the fridge, so make sure it's cold and add it to your cold bowl. And then you're gonna mix on low speed, on the lowest setting possible, for about 10-ish minutes. That's how long it took me to get stiff peaks and a super thick consistency. So however long that takes you, mine was 10 minutes, but just make sure you are mixing only on low speed. And I like to use a stainless steel bowl here because I think it helps a little bit with regulating the temperature of the heavy cream. But if all you have is a plastic or a glass bowl, that's totally okay as well. And if you have a stand mixer, that makes it even easier. So after about 10 minutes of mixing, we're going to sift in a 1/3 cup of good quality cocoa powder. And this ice cream is not too chocolatey per se. So if you like ice cream that is really rich in chocolate, feel free to add more cocoa powder. Then we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of Nutella and as well as 1 whole can, 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And I forgot to tell you this in the beginning of the video, but put this condensed milk in your fridge just as you're starting the recipe, like right before you start mixing your heavy cream. Put this in the fridge so that milk cools off a little bit as well. So you're just gonna add all of these ingredients and you're going to mix for another minute or so. And if you try this recipe, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to know how it turned out, how you liked it. Do you like the Nutella and chocolate combo? What your favorite type of combination ice cream is? Let me know. I would love to know. And consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, as that does help to support my channel. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Grab whatever dish you think will be easiest to store in your freezer. I like to use a squared cake pan, but really just get whatever you prefer. And we're going to put your ice cream in there before we stick it in the freezer. Smooth out the top and then grab some cling wrap, and we're going to cover this ice cream. So when you do put your cling wrap on it, make sure that you gently press it onto the ice cream so that it's actually touching the ice cream, so that there isn't any sort of air or moisture or anything while this is freezing. Ideally, you want to freeze this for about 24 hours before serving it, but I just went with 6 hours, and the texture I got, it wasn't as frozen as ice cream should be, like it was the day after, for example. But after about 6 hours, it was still amazing. It was still creamy, and of course, it's still cold. But the day after, you're gonna see it's even thicker and more frozen. So I really hope you guys love this recipe. I make it all the time now and just kind of play with different flavors. Let me know in the comments below if you try it, and I will see you guys next week with another recipe video. Hope you love it. Bye.